Good morning, dear participants. Welcome to our next session. If you are ready, we will begin our lesson with one warm-up activity. Let's begin. This warm-up activity is called I spy with my little eye something. Here I will add the color of this object, and this object existed in this classroom. I will look at this object, then tell the color. You should guess what is it. Is it clear for you? If yes, we will begin. I spy with my eye something white. So, what is it? Yes, you are right. It was wall. Now listen again. I spy with my little eye something black. What's that? No, it's not a computer. No, it's not a bag. Yes, it is a smart board. One more time. I spy with my little eye something blue. So, what's that? No, it's not a pen. No, it's not even a notebook. Yes. Yes, you are right. It is a marker. Blue marker. Each group took 1 point. Now it's the last question. And that team which gives correct answer the first will be the winner. I spy with my little eye something yellow. So, guess what's that? No, it's not a desk. It's not even a curtain. No, it's not a pencil. Think deeply. It is existed in our classroom. Yes, you are right. It was a hat, a yellow hat. And now I invite the winner group here. Come to me. I will give you your gifts. And now, dear winners, you can choose any hat you want, any color you wish. Each of you can take one of these hats. And now I will distribute these little hats to other groups. Take your hats. So, dears, what do you think? What is the theme of today's lesson? Yes, please. No, our theme is not about games. Yes, it's about methods. Which methods? Okay, I will help you. If you remember, in our first warm-up activity, we played a game. I spy with my little eye something blue, for example. In this game, we used several colors. And then I gave you several hats. And what colors are they? White, red, yellow, green, and black. So we have 6 hats, and our theme is 6 thinking hats. Now, dears, let's discuss what colors do you have and what does this color mean. What do you think? What kind of people are who like white color? Yes, please. Kind. Okay, I will write your answer here. Kind. Let's move to the next color, red. What do you think? What does this mean? Love, jealous. Okay, so what should we write here? Do you mean sensible? Okay, I will write sensible here. And let's discuss about black color. What does this color mean? Serious, bad. Okay, I will write serious. What about yellow color? What does this color mean? Funny. Okay, I will write funny. What about green? Natural. Okay. And what about blue? Friendly. Okay. Now, if you are ready, let's discuss your ideas with real facts. First of all, let me tell about the author of this method. So the author of this method is Dr. Edward de Bono. He is a French psychologist and he created this method in order to develop pupils' critical thinking. So our first color is yellow. You said that yellow color is the color of funny people, and let's check the real facts. Dr. Edward de Bono gives these questions for yellow colors. So first question is, what are the good points? Next question, what are the benefits? If you pay attention, all questions are positive questions and they are about optimism, positive view and opportunities. So we can say that the yellow color is a color of positive people. And we will write here the word positive. Actually, you were close to right answer, so funny is close to positive, so I can say that you were right. So let's make one little activity with these colors. Who has yellow hats? Show me. We have lots of yellow hats participants, so this question is for you. What are the good points of being tall? You should answer to this question. Please think positively and you should tell only positive sides of being tall. Our next color is black. You said that people who like black color, they are serious and bad. And let's check with the real facts. I will read the question. Is this true? Will it work? What are the weaknesses? What's wrong with it? So pay attention to the word weaknesses, wrong. So all these questions are negative. So with one word we can say that black color is a negative color. So this activity is for those participants who have black hats. Now dears, you should answer to the question, what is the bad side of being tall? Next color is red. So you mentioned that red color is the color of sensible people. Now let's check it. Edward de Bono says that this color is the color of feelings. So you were right. It's the color of sensible people. So we can say that it's the color of emotions. Let's move to the next color. Our next color is white. You said that white color is the color of kindness. Now let's check it. So we can make conclusion that white hat is a color of facts and information. Our next color is a green color. You said that green color is a sign of nature and we wrote the word natural. Now let's check your answer with real facts. So if you pay attention, it is a color of new, different ideas. Finally, our last color is blue. You said that the people who like blue color, they are friendly. Now let's check your answers. So if you pay attention, it's a color of decisions and conclusions. Now dears, I would like to divide you into 6 groups. They are whites, yellows, reds, greens, blues and blacks. Now I will put these hats on some tables. Who has white hats, please gather to that place. And where I put yellow hat, you should gather to this place. Is it clear? Now dears, if you're ready, I will recall your team. So white, your color is a color of information. So I will call you scientists. So red, how should I call you? Your color is the color of emotions. So, who works with emotions and feelings? You are artists. Very well. Next, blacks. As we mentioned, you will give negative questions, so we will call you critics. Next, yellow. You have positive colors, so how should we call you? Yellows, we will call you optimists. Greens, we will call you creators, because you are a creative team. And blues, we should conclude and make decisions, so we can call you judges or assessments. You like judges? Okay, let it be. You will be judges team. Now, let's choose one fairy tale which you like. Dear participants, which cartoon or fairy tale do you like? Masha and Bear? Okay. I will write here the name of cartoon. White team, I'm a little psychologist. You should give information about this cartoon. For example, where is the location of this fairy tale? Forest. Okay, we'll write forest. And how many heroes are there here? Masha, Bear, 2 wolves, and some more forest animals. So more than 10, right? Red, what emotion does Masha have? Happiness. Angriness. Black, tell the negative sides of Masha. Now tell the negative sides of Bear. Very well. Yellows, tell the positive sides of Masha. Okay, now tell the negative side of Bear. Right. Dear Greens, you should make some change in this fairy tale. Turn all negative sides of these characters into positive and remake this cartoon. And Blues, you should make conclusion, tell the moral of the story. So, what is the moral of this cartoon? Children, they should obey adults, right? Now, I will show you a new cartoon. You should watch it and work in group. After watching this cartoon, you should discuss in group. Whites, you should guess information. And reds, you should tell about all emotions which this cartoon showed. And blacks, you will criticize only negative sides, and yellows, you should tell only positive sides. Greens, you should work creatively and give some new ideas. And blues, you should make conclusion. Is it clear for everybody? If yes, let's begin.
Little Red Riding Hood lived in a wood with her mother. One day, Little Red Riding Hood went to see her granny. She had a nice cake in her basket. On her way, Little Red Riding Hood met a wolf.
Hello,
Said the wolf.
where are you going?
I'm going to see my grandmother. She lives in a house behind those trees.
The wolf ran to Granny's house and ate Granny up. He got into Granny's bed. A little later, Little Red Riding Hood reached the house. She looked at the wolf.
Granny, what big eyes you have.
All the better to see you with.
Said the wolf.
Granny, what big ears you have.
All the better to hear you with.
Said the wolf.
Granny, what a big nose you have.
All the better to smell you with.
Said the wolf.
Granny, what big teeth you have.
All the better to eat you with.
Shouted the wolf. A woodcutter was in the wood. He heard a loud scream and ran to the house. The woodcutter hit the wolf over the head. The wolf opened his mouth wide and shouted,
Oh,
and Granny jumped out. The wolf ran away, and Little Red Riding Hood never saw the wolf again.
Now, dears, you have 10 minutes, and in these 10 minutes, you should work with your group. According to the color of your tip, you should make conclusion. Are you ready? If you are ready, please put your hands on your head, then answer to the questions. Well done, you worked really hard. Now, take your home task. Well done, you worked really hard. Now take your home task. Your homework is to write about this fairy tale regarding to each color. So in white column you should write information about this fairy tale. Then in red one, you should write about emotion, and in yellow you will write positive sides, in black negative sides. Then you should give new creative ideas, and finally you should finish with conclusion and give the moral of the story. When you finish, please share it with your course mates on Google Slides or Google Docs. Or at least share your works with your peers in your Telegram groups, so your course mates could read it and write review. Remember, after finishing writing and sharing, you should write 3 reviews to your course mates' works. That's all for today. Thank you for attention. See you next time.